So, a rumor surfaced a few weeks ago, claiming that the One UI 7 beta would roll out between November 18th and November 24th. However, that didn't happen. Another rumor then suggested a revised timeline, indicating the Galaxy S24 series would receive the beta in the first week of December. As that timeframe approaches, doubts are emerging about its likelihood. Sources speaking to Tarun Vats now suggest that the One UI 7 beta rollout is expected to begin in mid-December. Vats, known for closely monitoring Samsung's firmware development, was the first to report earlier this month that beta builds had appeared on Samsung's test servers. This updated schedule applies specifically to Phase 1 countries, which include the United States, Germany, and South Korea. Phase 2 countries such as the United Kingdom, Poland, India, and China remain without a clear timeline. The transition from Phase 1 to Phase 2 could take several weeks, with delays extending into early 2024. If the mid-December rollout for Phase 1 holds, it's likely that Phase 2 will not begin until after the new year. For Galaxy S24 users, the wait for the beta might not be long, but owners of Galaxy S23 models and older devices will need to be more patient. Those planning to skip the beta and wait for the stable release will face even greater delays, as there's no chance of a stable One UI 7 release happening in 2024. According to leaked timelines, the beta testing phase is expected to last approximately 2 months, meaning the stable version of One UI 7 could be released in February 2025. This would align with the anticipated launch of the Galaxy S25 series, which is likely to come pre-installed with One UI 7 and Android 15. However, this timeline could shift, as the duration of the beta phase will depend on the number of bugs and issues that Samsung needs to address. As it stands, users eager to test One UI 7 will need to manage their expectations. While the mid-December beta rollout might begin as planned for some regions, others could face delays that stretch into 2025. For users waiting on the stable release, February seems to be the earliest realistic timeline, coinciding with the next-generation Galaxy S25 launch. So what do you guys think about the upcoming One UI 7? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.